Hello and welcome back everyone to this channel, and today in this video tutorial I will demonstrate how you can get all the values from dictionary in Python. So you have dictionary and you want to extract all the values of the keys in a dictionary. You can use the three methods, using the values method of dictionary, using the keys method with a for loop, and then using the list comprehension. So let's start. First, I'm going to create a dictionary named employee salaries. So here, employee salaries equal to, and this dictionary will contain a key as the name of the employee and their salary as the value. So first name is the James and salary is 80,000, and second is the Charlie, salary is 60,000, and third is Lucy, salary is 70,000. Now this is the dictionary, and we are going to retrieve all the values you see here, and values is the salary of the employer. So first method we will use value method. So the value method in Python returns a view object which contains the values of the dictionary. Okay, so let's create a variable list of values equal to, then call the values method on the dictionary like this, values, to get all the values from the dictionary as a view object. Now execute this code. Now print the list of values, print list of values, and as you can see, this contains a view object, and this view object contains a list of all the values of the dictionary employee salary that you can see here. You can see the values is 80,000, 60,000 and 70,000, and you can see all the values. So this values method extracted all the values of the dictionary as a list, as a view object, you can see here. But you can see this value, returned value, is not in the proper list. So you can convert this into a proper list by passing this view object to a list constructor. So I'm going to write a list and then pass the list of values to convert it into a valid list or a Python list like this. Now you can see it is converted into a proper format or proper list in Python. Now the next method we will see, we will use the keys method with a for loop. So let's see how to do that. So this is the same dictionary. Here I'm going to run for key in employee salaries dot keys. So keys method is similar to values method, but it returns the keys of the dictionary as a view object. So if I will print it like this, let me show you. Print employee salaries dot keys like this, and let's see. Okay, first let's remove this for loop and execute this. Now you can see it returned all the keys of the dictionary as a list. So we are iterating over each of the keys in the list using the for loop. So let's again bring back the for loop and remove this line of code. And after this, here we need to take all the keys and its corresponding values and add those values into the new list. So here let's create a new list, call it list values equal to, this is the empty list. Sorry, this is the empty list. Now call a list values dot append. We are calling append method of list to append the values in the list. Then employee salaries like this, and then pass the key as the index to this. You can see here. This implies salaries, and within a square bracket you have passed the key. This represents the values of the dictionary. Now print the list of values like this. Execute this code. So you can see in the output you get all the values from the dictionary using the for loop with a keys method on the dictionary. Now the next method, we will use a list comprehension to get all the values of a dictionary. So this is a very simple concept. So here first create a list data equal to, as you know, in a list comprehension we use the for loop within a square bracket. So here for value in employee salaries dot values, and as you can see that this line returns the view object, and that view object contains the list of the values of a dictionary. So here using this, accessing each values and then storing that value in the list like this, you can see here. If you know about the concept of list comprehension, then you understand it. Now let's print list data like this, and you get the value from the dictionary employee salaries. So this is how you can use the values and the keys with a loop and list comprehension to get all the values of the dictionary. So at last I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thank you.